Well, hello, Ankit. Here we are again.
Hello, Rob.
Another new listing. This time
We are in Acadia Terrace.
in St. Albert. And if you guys know anything about St. Albert, you know it's one of the most desirable sub-communities around the greater Edmonton area. And if you're looking for a condo,
That's right. Not just a condo.
this one really is special. It's a budget-friendly condo. It's perfect for somebody who's a first-time homeowner or perhaps an investor.
Yeah, an investor, and it's pet friendly.
Check it out. You don't get that very often when you're looking at apartment-style condos. They do allow a couple of small pets, and you will really find that this neighborhood is perfect for that. With all of the amenities and the parks and schools, restaurants, everything's close by. So let's go check it out, shall we?
Look.
So here we are, right at the entranceway to building number 49. As you can tell, it is secure. So if you need to get in, let's say you're having a pizza delivery, they just buzz you in, you can come down, pick up your pizza. Let's go inside and have a look, shall we? So here we are, right on the second floor. How convenient is that? First unit on your left-hand side, unit 201. And speaking of convenience, check it out. Literally steps down the hall, and here's your laundry room. Easy to use, just use your card, and away you go. Welcome indoors. So if you're looking for an apartment-style condo to start your real estate journey on, this is a great place to start. Not only are you located in St. Albert, one of the most desirable locations in all of the greater Edmonton area, but you're in a mature neighborhood. And check out this beautiful condo. You've got a nice, spacious living room with a wood-burning fireplace, lots of storage. You've got a dining area that can have plenty of seating for 4, maybe 6, and a beautiful upgraded kitchen. Now, Ankit, why don't you tell them a little bit about the bedrooms?
Thanks, Rob. Come, let's check out the bedrooms. On my right is the secondary bedroom. Come on, follow me. Now, this is a really good size. You can easily fit a king-size bed here. And look. Right, now let's move into the primary bedroom. This one's my favorite. Look at all that space. A king-size bed, plenty of room for your furniture and dressers, and a big window, plenty of sunlight coming in. I just love this room. And right through here is our walk-through closet. All the way, which opens up to, you got it, your full bath. Upgraded washroom with a his and her sink. Hey Rob, isn't this an amazing property?
You know what? It's not very often that we get to see condos like this. Like really, if you think about it, there is so much space here. There's a lot of stuff that these people have, but there's plenty of room for it.
That's right, storage is the key and storage is the word when it comes to this condo.
And if you look around, there's storage everywhere. Huge walk-in storage right off the front door, right off the entranceway. We never even mentioned about the patio.
And that's the best part.
The patio has a storage room off of it as well.
Yes.
And of course, we're in St. Albert, where it's one of the most desirable communities in the greater Edmonton area.
That's right. Neighborhood, neighborhood, neighborhood. We all know to invest in the best neighborhood possible, St. Albert is the one.
Speaking of investments, if you're a first-time home buyer or you're an investor, this is a great place to start. Because if you think about it, you're going to get a great return on your investment because these units actually bring in quite a bit of rent.
That's right.
And you, if you're considering this as your first time purchase, guess what? You get to pay yourself instead of your landlord.
That's right. And as always, Rob, if you like this video,
don't forget to share. You never know, this might be one of the perfect properties for one of your friends.